Because the ability to be aware of oneself, our feelings, ideas, and emotions is a critical part of navigating the everyday stressors of life, the practice of mindfulness becomes a useful tool. Katie Markley Elementary School recently took an entire day to help students understand the idea of mindfulness with a series of activities and workshops. The students learned how music therapy could help them become better listeners, how exercising could help manage stress, and how freestyle art could focus their minds on the present moment. Students were also introduced to basic yoga and even took a nature walk where they searched for plants and animals. Most popular of all the activities was the chance for students to spend time with therapy dogs. Mindfulness Day at Katie Markley was not only fun, but also provided students with many stress-reducing tools they can employ to enhance their awareness, identify their feelings, and manage difficult emotions throughout their lives.